Hello guys! Just like I promised, today we are diving straight into Cozy Cardigan haul. All these pieces are from Myntra and they are just perfect for little gulabi thand. These are not meant for very harsh winter. So let's jump straight into look number 1. We are kicking things off with this super cute cardigan from Dressberry. It is a conversational printed cardigan, and please note it is a printed cardigan, and I'm trying this for the first time. I have not washed it, so I don't know how the print will stay after the wash. But this cardigan has very good reviews and it feels really cool and premium, so I'm sure this is going to be fine. It has that gorgeous timeless navy blue color and this light blue color print scattered all over it, making it super cute. It is made in acrylic, so it is soft and comfortable. Neckline is sweet little round one. Sleeves are full and it has button down closure with these golden buttons which grabs the attention instantly, and it has ribbed hemline. Very classic, very timeless. You can wear it buttoned up or keep it open for that layering effect, or wear like me, half open, half closed, and you're good to go. I paired it with my light blue straight jeans. For the accessories, I kept it really minimal with these pearl studs. For the footwear, my acrylic strap heels, and I finished the look with my small brown bag. And let me tell you the price. Currently it is available at 839 rupees only at 60% discount. For a cardigan cute like this price is chef's kiss. So this is where the haul gets fun. When something is so good, you just don't want to buy one but end up buying two. And honestly, I don't blame myself for this one at all. So this next one is technically a sibling of my previous cardigan. Same brand, same fit, same cozy acrylic fabric, and that gorgeous conversational print, but this time in this lovely green shade. The moment I saw this, I knew this has a personality. Since it's the same cardigan in different color, you know it has the round neckline, same long sleeves, front button closure, ribbed hemline, and again the buttons are gold, which is grabbing the attention. When you actually wear the same design in two different colors, you can actually feel how the color makes the whole vibe different. I paired this gorgeous green cardigan with my beige colored trousers from Myntra. For the accessories, I opted for these gold earrings, which is matching with these gold buttons. For the footwear, my beige loafers, and I finished the look with my Van Heusen tote bag. And luckily, price is also same for both these colors. It is currently available at rupees 839 at 60% discount. So go and grab it. So this next one is from brand Must Harbor, and this is not a regular cardigan, but it's a set, a cami and cropped cardigan. Look at this super cute color. It is really soft and cozy. Its rose pink color is super dreamy, and floral print on it makes it really playful and youthful. The cami top has sleeveless design. It has shoulder straps. It is cropped with this ribbed hemline. It feels super soft and feminine. On top of that, you get this matching cardigan. Again, this is also cropped, but it is longer than the cami top. It has round neckline with button down front and long sleeves. This one also has ribbed hemline which goes along the front button placket and on the neckline too. It is there on sleeve edges also. So whole set feels really coordinated and cohesive. This coordination feels really seamless. It gives you that put together vibe without even trying. I paired it with my straight light blue jeans for that slightly casual vibe. And again, I paired it with my pearl earrings. For the footwear, my clear heels again. And I finished this look with my Van Heusen tote bag. And the best part, currently it is available at 1079 rupees only at massive 64% discount. For two-piece set like this, it is a solid deal. So this next cardigan is from brand Roadster and it is giving full on that Argyle charm but with little modern twist. It's in this off-white base and then this Argyle pattern running across it in this gorgeous green color, which is really soothing to look at. It has V neckline and long sleeves. It has this drop shoulder design. It has front button closure. It is a short cardigan with the ribbed hemline. All classic cardigan features, but the fun part, it has slightly oversized fit and this front border is slightly broad, which instantly grabs attention and make it look little more trendy. And these contrast button makes it look way more playful. It's that perfect balance of cute and polished. I paired it with these blue trousers from H&M, and for the accessories, I paired it with my favorite pearl earrings. For the footwear, I opted for my black Carlton London heels and I finished the look with Lavi signature bag. And you will love this piece more when you hear the price. It is currently available at 645 only at massive discount. So this next piece is again from brand Must Harbor and it is in this classic beige shade. Design is very clean and wearable. It has the simple plain knit beige color. It has V neckline and long sleeves which has slight fluff on cuffs. It has front button closure and ribbed hemline. Super classic cardigan design. But the floral embroidery on top of this beige base takes it to another level. Look at this embroidery. It is in this gorgeous maroon, yellow, green, and it is really subtle but grabs the attention. It is a clear example that beauty lies in simplicity. It is regular length cardigan, so you can wear it buttoned up like me, or you can layer it over on something and it will look absolutely gorgeous. Again, it is made in acrylic, so it is soft, warm and super comfortable. To enhance its embroidery, I paired it with my waist side trousers in contrast color. And for the accessories, I went with these gold earrings. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I finished the look with my brown bag. Currently, it is priced at 1025 rupees only at 62% discount. For an embroidered piece like this, I think it is worth the price. This next piece is from brand Tokyo Talkies and technically it's a sweater, but it fits right into this cardigan haul because of this whole zip-up vibe. It's a cable knit self-designed sweater in this gorgeous grey color. Super clean and super wearable. And this is little more warmer than the other cardigans. It has long sleeves and this mock collar which practically works as high neck. And the zip at the front gives it that sporty athleisure feel. This cardigan is cropped and this ribbed hemline pulls everything together beautifully. Again, it is made in acrylic, so it is soft and really warmer, and it is perfect for the in-between weather when you want something warm but breathable. I paired this gorgeous sweater with my H&M's black fit and flare trousers. For the jewelry, I picked up my favorite silver earrings with pearl. For the footwear, my black Carlton London heels, and I finished the look with my Lavi signature bag. Currently, it is priced at 1215 rupees at massive 68% discount. For this gorgeous, timeless, really practical piece, which is warm also, it is a good price. This next cardigan is from Max Woman and it has that classic old money vibe to it. It is this cable knit self-designed cardigan with the round neckline and long sleeves in this deep brown shade. The color itself is so timeless, like brown never leaves the fashion scene. It just works every single year with almost everything you own. Its simple round neckline with the long sleeves and front button closure looks very clean and very wearable. And this cable knit texture gives it that rich, cozy feel. And the length of this cardigan is just perfect. It is not cropped, not too long, so it will stay in fashion forever. Again, it's made in acrylic, so it is soft, slightly warmer and super comfortable to wear. For the styling, I kept it really classic with these gold earrings. For the footwear, my beige color loafers, and I finished the look with my brown bag. Whole look is really simple, classic and super wearable. And currently it is priced at rupees 899 rupees, which is worth for this timeless piece. So this last cardigan is from brand H&M, and you guys already know how much I love this brand and their basics. So this one is made in waffle jersey fabric. So texture itself makes it feel really cozy and premium without being too heavy. It has a round neckline with long sleeves. It has button closure at the front and it is a fitted cardigan and it's a regular length piece. It looks really clean and wearable. You just throw it on and look put together instantly. Fabric blend here is really very nice. It is a mix of polyester, viscose and elastane. So you get that softness, stretch and that perfect fit that hugs you properly without clinging to your body weirdly. And this baby blue color, it's just stunning. This is one of those colors you will keep reaching for again and again because this makes every outfit look fresh. I paired it with my light blue suede jeans for that clean wearable vibe. For the accessories, I kept it really minimal with my pearl studs. And again, I wore my clear heels and I finished the look with my Van Heusen tote bag. It is priced at 999 rupees. For this timeless piece from brand H&M, it is worth the haul, guys. Tell me in the comments which cardigan you like the most and what you want to see next. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!